In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a crouch jump file in CS2, so be sure to watch the video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. To begin, you're going to go into a practice game, and this is just going to make sure that you can do everything before you actually do this in-game. Now, to actually create the crouch jump file, you are going to need to do a few commands, and then it will become very easy once you actually open up the Autoexec. So you're going to need to copy and paste a few things. So the first thing that you're going to need to copy and paste is actually a command that looks a little like this. So open up your developer console and type in that. The next one you are going to use is this, and the final one you're going to use is this. Now, if you do have your spacebar already binded, you're going to make sure to unbind space before you do these commands. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is go onto your Steam for CSGO and right-click, click on Manage and Browse Local Files. From here, you're going to click on Game, CSGO, and CFG. Now, from here, what you're going to need to do is create a new text file, and it can be named anything for now, and copy and paste all of the commands that you have just used, just like so. Now you can click File, Save As, and I'm just going to type Autoexec and save it. From there, you're going to make sure that this is checked off, and you're going to rename it to whatever you would like, but I'm just going to do autoexec.cfg instead of txt. It'll ask you this, and you'll just say yes, and then you can X off of it. Now, on your launch options from Properties, you're going to make sure that your box says +exec and then the file name when you launch. So when you actually launch, these binds will be actually loaded in, and you can then use your scroll wheel to jump and crouch at the same time. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.